Oh wow, they brought this. Oh boy. Alright, so this the baddest Grand National on the planet. Y'all already know. Everything custom. Shout out to Dutchboyz.
Don't fuck that one up. Leave it up for the display. We be patient.
Can I get a picture with you?
We got those two.
Bad. Look at these.
I'll get you one later.
I need some sunscreen, but it is super hot.
Yo, where you at?
Tour to fit the roll bar.
And the you say the dash is
The whole dash is 3D printed.
Oh, so the dash is 3D printed.
Yep, the whole console's all 3D printed.
So, see, this the next level. This is the level y'all at right now.
You start popping like this is a magnet, this is magnet,
Okay.
and then these pull out, and then that's how it fastens to the car.
That's dope.
So,
And I'm guessing it's that much right now because it's still so fresh.
what's that?
I'm guessing it's that much right now to get this 3D printed.
Oh yeah,
because
that's
it's still so fresh.
That's the thing out there. What's that? Yeah, I built it. The customer will be here today. It's a guy named Angelo Vesky. He's out of Jacksonville. Yep.
Oh, how much money do you think this car got?
We have over 10,000 hours in it, plus parts, so there's over $1 million. The motor setback, GNXS.
10,000 hours labor.
Okay. This is all flocked material. This is the hydraulic lift system that lifts the front up and down for loading. This is another storage compartment back here.
And what dash? You got a Holly in it?
Yep, Holy
Okay.
Digital Dash.
Yep. Nice. GNXS. SEMA 2024. Man, that's what I need to get up under this bitch. Put the mirrors down here.